Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. This week's episode, we're going to take you guys out here to Jacksonville, Texas to show you a piece of property called the Triple F Farms, and we're going to show you a new floor plan that 1845 has called the Addyson floor plan. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath Barndominium. We have a 25 by 25 carport attached to a 40 by 20 shop. The carport kind of acts as a breezeway for the house here. It's a really good combination. It really comes together really well. You'll see the exterior of this house is white. We have some white corner trim as well, but around the windows and the doors, we've chosen to go with black corner trim to match our black roof. We have black windows also to go along with the black trim. Really stands out and really pops with that white exterior. So it turned out to be a really beautiful Barndo. Today we're going to take you in and show you, they've just completed the wood framing phase. We're waiting to get our electrical, our HVAC, and our plumbing stack out done. So we thought it'd be a good time to come in and show you how this one is coming together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. We'd love to hear from you in the question or comment area below. If you want to check us out on social media, we have TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. And of course, our website, 1845barndominiums.com. If you or anybody else you know is interested in getting the process started with building their dream home, we would love to tell you how to get that started. Just send us some info about what you want to do or what your project entails, and we'd love to reach out and tell you how to get the process started. Let's head inside here in Jacksonville, Texas, and show you the wood framing on this modified Addyson floor plan. All right, guys, so we're going to head in here. And you can see we've got our front door centered here, and first feature that we see when we come in here is we've got a foyer entryway, kind of a hallway that's going to lead us into the open living and kitchen area. Now, one thing that they did not want was to open up directly into the living room and the kitchen area. We have a lot of people that want to find a design that does not have all of their company or all of their visitors just walk straight into that kitchen or living area. And so that's what we've done here. We created a foyer to kind of solve that problem. I'm going to take you around. This is actually going to be the kitchen area, and I'm going to kind of walk around here and then show you the layout of everything before we go into individual rooms. We've got a little bit of a dining area here underneath the windows. We'll have double doors going out the back. And then we've got our living area there to the side. Now I'm going to kind of point and show you kind of the layout here before we go room to room. Our master suite is going to be, if you're looking at the home, our master suite is on the left side of the home. We have our bathroom there and our closet there, of course. And then we actually have a craft room built in here. I know it looks like it might be a pantry, but it's labeled as craft room, going to be used for just a lot of different odds and ends. We have a laundry room that's going to have butler's pantry in the corner here. We do have another half bath back here in the corner that we'll show you in just a second, and then a lot of shelving for canning and preserving and things like that. On the other side of the plan, we're going to have bedroom number 2 with a closet. We do have back in the corner, we'll have a Jack and Jill bathroom there for bedrooms 2 and 3 here. And then when you come back here, you've kind of got another, almost like another suite. You've got the 4th bedroom back here, and it has its own bathroom. It's a full bath here with shower and everything, and a very large closet. And then we'll show you the storage room off the back. And this house has a huge back porch. It is 42 by 13. And when we finish up, I'll show you the view off the back that is really, really pretty. So we're going to head here. If we go back towards the front door, I'm going to take and show you the master wing first. So we've got a really large, I believe this is about a 15 by 16 master suite. And from this master suite, you've got your closet entry here, and then we come over here and you have the bathroom entry. So you have both of those over here. If we come in the bathroom, and we'll see this start come together after we insulate it and get some sheetrock up. But we've got a full 6x4 shower right there with window over it. We'll have our water closet or our toilet room here. And then if I back around here, we're going to have double vanities here along this wall. So if I come out, now what we don't have, we do not have a direct entry into the closet area there. We wanted that closed off so that we'd actually have to go around, come back through the room here, and then we go into the master closet. So this master closet, again, when we do these, we custom design these. Once we get done with sheetrock, tape and texture, we'll come in and kind of draw the design of what we want on the wall. We talk to the homeowner about where they want their hanging rods, where they want their shoe cubbies or their shelving or anything else that's going to go into those closets. So if I come around back through the foyer, in through the living room, I'm going to come over here and show you the other bedrooms. So just off the living room area here, we've got kind of a nook that allows us into bedroom 2 and then takes us directly into bedroom 3. If I go into bedroom 2, very good sized room for the kiddos. I'm going to pan around and show you kind of the closet area. We've got our closet area right here, good, fairly big, almost a walk-in closet there. And then we come into our Jack and Jill style bathroom here, where we will have, just inside the door here, we'll have double vanities along this wall. So two sink vanities there. And then we will have a door here that takes us in to our shower area. I believe we're going to have a shower tub combo here. So it'll be a tub with a cultured marble surround, and then we've got our toilet room here on the other side of that wall. If we continue around, this will take us into bedroom number 3. Similar in size to bedroom number 2, with closet back there. And you can see we're right off the back. The living room and kitchen area is all back here on the other side of that wall, so we're just off the living room. I'm going to take us back out and take us across the living room here. And one thing they will have here, I believe we're going to install a wood burning stove along this wall right here. We debated and talked whether we were going to do fireplace or wood burning stove, but finally the decision was made to go wood burning stove, and I believe we're going to take that vent and we're not going to go through the roof. We're going to go up above the porch line and then go out with our ventilation. So now if we go back to bedroom 4, again, this is kind of like its own suite back here that's a little bit kind of separated from everything else. And then we've got a full bathroom here just for this room. So we've got, okay, you can see pony wall right here with shower on the other side there. We've got our toilet here. And then we will have a sink vanity right here, just a single vanity for this room. And then we've got our closet space here that's kind of blended in, meshed in with the bathroom area. And so that's all 4 bedrooms. Now I'm going to take you again across the floor plan. We've got some floor plugs here in the living room. We'll have an island here. So I believe the layout on the kitchen will be, we're going to have cabinetry. You can see there's the foyer, so we're going to have this wall here. We'll have cabinetry all along these walls right here. So everything across here in an L shape, and then we'll have a designated dining area here looking out the windows over the back porch, and I'm going to show you the view back there in just a few minutes. When we come out here, we've got a large laundry room. So on this side, we will have our washer and dryer there. We're actually going to have, in the design right now, we have a butler's pantry here in the corner. And then we've got our half bathroom right there that we can access coming directly off the carport. And then we mentioned before a craft room here behind the kitchen area. On this wall, our homeowner designed this to have full-length shelving and some cabinetry to store jars with. And if I take you out here, I'm going to take you out and show you the carport area. So this takes us out into the carport, and you can see we can go directly across. This carport is a 2-car, it's 25 by 25, and we go directly over to the shop area. Our shop is a 40 by 20. You'll get a good look at that with our drone footage, gabled towards the front of the property. And again, the trim and everything matches. We've got white with black. We've got a black overhead door there on the front, so everything matches really well. I particularly love this design. I love how the carport and the shop are connected. It's just one of my favorite layouts. I'm going to take you off the back here and show you. This is a 42 by 13 back porch, so a huge back porch. And we've got a beautiful view of the property off the back of this porch. And one last thing that they did here in their design was we put some storage on the back side of the plan here. The original Addyson plan is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. So they wanted to add a little bit of footage to it. They wanted to add the half bath, and then they wanted to have that storage back there. So we just kind of expanded a little bit, added some footage where they needed. Again, we try to do custom designs as much as we possibly can. So we added some footage here in the living room and kitchen area. We added the craft room, just moved some things around a little bit. The original Addyson plan has an office in there, but they didn't have a need for the office. So we just moved some things around and made it custom fit to what they needed. So that's going to wrap us up today. Again, we're 2,700 square foot. We've got a 25 by 25 carport that is attached to a 40 by 20 shop on the outside there. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour today. See you guys again next time.